So today I am a hot mess. No, really, I am. And I want a salad for breakfast. So today I'm making a warm roasted broccoli salad with chicken, sweet potato, and anything else I can find in my home. And it's gonna be good. Okay, so I'm having a salad for breakfast. Here I have this ready-made rosemary balsamic vinegar grilled chicken. I love that. That's easy. I have one sweet potato, one large sweet potato, broccoli. By the way, my nails are also a hot mess today. So here I have broccoli and part of a yellow onion that I'm gonna toss in there. So I've diced all of my sweet potato just like this, and I'm just going to lightly coat it with a little bit of avocado oil, and I'm just gonna drizzle just a little. And then I'm going to take a pinch of salt, and this is being difficult, and just shake that on there. Well, actually just add it, not shake it, and give it a good mix. Okay, so these are coated. Now onto a baking sheet with parchment paper. So I'm going to spread these out in a single layer, and it's going in the preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes, or until everything is cooked. But I'm putting these in first. So now for the broccoli, I'm doing the same thing. A light coating of avocado oil. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, give it a shake, combine, and it's going on a baking sheet. Here I have my broccoli just cut into small florets. The onions I left kind of chunky, and it's gonna work. Okay, onto the baking sheet as well, and I'm going to spread that out into a single layer and pop that into the oven along with the sweet potato. And I'm just going to cook these. You can check everything around 35 minutes, but let it go until everything is roasted and cooked through. Okay, so these are cooked. I'm gonna let them hang out. By the way, I have to take a bite. And here I'm going to toast some pecans because, like I stated earlier, I am literally going through my pantry items, my fridge, countertop stuff, and just putting this delicious salad together. I was in the mood for it. Okay, I'm also going to add this chicken. I showed that to you earlier. It's a balsamic vinegar chicken, and some queso fresco for the cheese. Here I have wonton strips for crunchiness. You can go with croutons. So I'm going to put everything together, and then it's breakfast time, or lunch, or dinner. Oh, and I want to mention, you definitely can make some sort of vinaigrette for this. But because the chicken is a marinated grilled balsamic vinegar chicken, I think it's flavored enough and it gives a bright, tangy flavor to the salad. So I'm skipping the dressing today. But you know, you can add that. So I have the chicken, the sweet potato, the onions, the broccoli, and I'm gonna go ahead and toss in those toasted pecans. Like I said, you could do slivered almonds, walnuts, the choice is up to you. And I'm gonna give this a mix. And after giving it a good mix, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm pretty sure there are a lot of you probably thinking, why is she eating this salad for breakfast? And I'm over here thinking, why not? I love to eat savory dinner type food, sometimes for breakfast, especially if it's leftovers. And then I like to do breakfast for dinner. I don't know, I'm pretty sure there are a lot of people that would agree with me on that, but I guess I just needed broccoli today. I do crave broccoli and sweet potato a lot, and I wanted it in a salad. By the way, I am going to pick these tender lettuce leaves that I grow, and every morning they just sprout and grow and I eat them. And for those of you wondering what this is actually a gift, and I don't remember the name, but it's a little indoor garden, like these little aquapod things, and it's pretty cool. So I have everything in the bowl. Time to give it a mix. I'll probably add some cracked black pepper. Sometimes I do crushed red pepper flakes for a little kick there, but I think it's perfect as is, and this is a delicious meal. So this is my hot mess salad for a hot mess day, and it's pretty good. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.